Now we shall discuss one more question. The difference between the previous question and this question. In previous statement 5x plus 3 upon x square plus 4x plus 10 is given, but under root is not given. But in this statement the difference is that now under root is given. Whenever a statement is given to you, maybe it contain under root or may not be contain it under root. In that case the method is not changed, the process is remains same. So let us start. 5x plus 3 is equals to a time derivative of x square plus 4x plus 10 plus b. Now see the important thing, in statement under root is given, but when you find out the solution you never write the under root. Like a previous question, you can move in the same manner. So it is 5x plus 3 is equals to a time derivative 2x plus 4 plus b. Now 5x plus 3 is equals to a time multiplied with 2 a into 2x plus 4a plus b. On compare, when we compare, then 5 is equals to 2a and a is equals to 5 by 2. 3 is equals to 4a plus b. Substitute the value of a here. It is 3 into 4 into 5 by 2 plus b, 2. 3 minus 10 is equals to b. b is equals to minus 7. So you will get the value of a and b here. Now substitute the value of a and b into that equation, which gives the result in the form of derivative. So your 5x plus 3 is equals to 5 by 2 into a, 2x plus 4 plus b. Actually we want to integrate 5x plus 3 upon x square plus 4x plus 10 under root along with dx, which is equals to, this result is equals to these two parts. So I break this one, 5 by 2 2x plus 4 upon x square plus 4x plus 10 minus 7 upon x square plus 4x plus 10 along with under root. It means this single question is break into two parts now. See this one, this statement can be written in this form so that we can able to integrate. Now these are the two questions. So you can solve by different method, by assuming I1 and I2. Or for the first part, I say let x square plus 4x plus 10 is equals to t. Then 2x plus 4 into dx is equals to dt. Substitute the value here, it becomes 5 by 2 dt upon under root t, dt upon under root t, and its integration. If you see the second part, minus 7 integration of dx upon. In this part no derivative is available, so we can't apply substitution in this part. Substitution only for this part. This part again we make a perfect square. So it is x square plus 4x, half the coefficient of x, that is 4, 4 half 2. So 2 square will be added and 2 square will be subtracted. Now it becomes 5 by 2 integration of this, t to power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 7 dx upon x plus 2 whole square minus 4 plus 10 plus 6 under root 6 whole square. See, in this part it is belongs to dx, it is belongs to dt. So separate integrations are there. It is 5 by 2 along with 1 by 2, 1 upon minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by plus 1. It is under root t, minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 1 upon 2. This 2 get cancelled. Minus 7 formula, 1 upon a tangent inverse x upon a plus c. But remember one thing, your answer is in the form of x only, because your statement is complete in the form of x. So replace the value of t, x square plus 4x plus 10 under root minus 7 by root 6 tangent inverse x plus 2 upon root 6 plus c, constant of integration. See, only one difference of under root change its formula. Sorry, in this one it is, see, this is the mistake normally done by the student. What I do here, I write down in the form of under root, but in next step I will not write down the under root and I write down this formula. Actually this is the mistake generally done by the student. So remember, you have to remember this under root. Now see, what is the formula for this one? Under root of x square plus a square. The formula is not this one. It is equals to log of x plus same function. See, due to this under root we have changed the formula and your answer is entirely changed. So take care. In first I write down a formula which is generally in our mind, but remember, whatever in our mind, it is not necessary that it is correct, but please check the formula before applying.